Are you short on time and need a healthy, quick, and easy breakfast recipe that will start your day off on the right foot? Try the grain breakfast bowl with fruit and nuts. With only a few simple ingredients, a little prep, and a quick warm-up in the microwave, it's also something that the whole family will enjoy. Let's take a look while Chef John takes us through the recipe.
Thanks, Amanda. This should be a really easy one to put together.
The great thing about this recipe, aside from how quick and easy it is that you can customize the ingredients to either what you have on hand or just your personal preference. We are making this today with quick oats, but you can easily substitute in cooked brown rice or quinoa. All are great whole grain options that provide a good source of fiber that promote not only heart health and gut health, but also provide additional vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Oats contain beta-glucan fiber, which can lower cholesterol and help support the immune system. Quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids in the proper portions and is gluten-free. Quinoa is also an excellent source of magnesium and a good source of iron and folate. No matter which whole grain you prefer, make sure the ingredient list includes whole grains, or at least that the label reads 100% whole grain. The milk we've added is optional, but I think it gives a creamier texture and also adds to your vitamin D and calcium intake for the day. Feel free to substitute any dairy-free milk alternative for the same creamy texture. This recipe makes 2 servings, but you could double it and have extra for breakfast throughout the week. For the toppings, really the possibilities are endless. Top each bowl with your favorite fruit and chopped nuts. Again, whatever you have on hand will work. You can even use frozen fruit if you thought at first. My favorite combination is diced bananas and chopped walnuts. It reminds me of a banana nut muffin. Let's give it a try.
Let's do it. Here's your favorite combination.
Great. Yours has berries. That looks delicious too.
Very good, very good.
Delicious. A great breakfast packed with nutrients like fiber and protein that will keep you energized and ready to start your day. Enjoy.